Today I'm going to go through how to do TSB 20-2170 on my 2024 Ford F250. This should stop water from backflowing into the truck from this drain tube. To do this, you need this hose elbow from Ford, a pair of flush cut wire snips, a 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inch hose clamp, a flathead screwdriver, and this tape. To get started, just come here, lift the fender liner, and we're working on this hose right here. Close up, you can see we're not just cutting a tab off, it's actually a part of the hose that we have to cut off. All right, so use your wire snips and make sure they're not too long because you are going to have to press pretty hard. So you can see here, I'm kind of getting around there and trying to snap them off. And there's two pieces like I showed you in the picture before. You can see here after I finished, it's not perfect. You can grind it down a little bit, but to be honest, once you put the hose and the hose clamp on, it should work. Next, I applied this tape all around the outside of the hose to prevent the water from backflowing. The hose attachment itself should prevent this from happening, but just in case I put that on, make sure your wire clamps are facing down so that you can actually tighten them. Throw your hose on and tighten the clamp. Then you put this tape on top of your hose and turn your AC to max to check if your drain is working, which in this case it is, and you're done.